Question number 1. A company is deploying a legacy Java application to Kubernetes. The application has a heavy initialization process and takes anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds to populate its in-memory cache before it can safely handle traffic. Once running, it occasionally suffers from deadlocks and needs to be restarted automatically. Which configuration provides the most resilient and responsive setup without causing premature restarts during initialization? Option A. Configure a liveness probe with an initial delay seconds of 60 and a readiness probe to check the cache endpoint. Option B. Configure a startup probe to check cache readiness, combined with a liveness probe for deadlocks and a readiness probe for endpoint traffic. Option C. Configure a readiness probe with an initial delay seconds of 60 and rely on Kubernetes default restart policies for the deadlocks. Option D. Configure only a liveness probe with a high failure threshold to account for both the slow startup and the deadlock scenarios. Option B is the only technically sound approach for this scenario. A startup probe is specifically designed for legacy or slow starting applications. It disables all other probes until it succeeds, completely protecting the slow initialization phase. Once the startup probe succeeds, the liveness probe takes over to monitor for deadlocks, restarting the pod if it fails, and the readiness probe ensures traffic is only routed when the cache is actually ready.